It's day one of romanticizing my life. I am making this a series or a daily vlog every day. Kasi every hour, every second, every minute counts of our life. So parang gusto ko lang makita kung ano yung life ko every day. Ang bilis lang ng day. So I wanted to document this video. I am in my lunch break. It's Friday, January 9, 2026. I have a lot of errands to do today. First, inutusan ako ni Papa na magpadala, and then siguro pumunta ako ng mall to buy food. So, parang solo date lang din siya today kasi wala yung boyfriend ko. He's in the Philippines. So ako lang mag-isa. And we have 1 hour to do our errands. So let's go. But first thing, we're gonna get our sunglass. Kasi medyo hindi man mainit dito sa Guampe. Bilis ng oras, Diyos ko. First, we're gonna play our music. I'm obsessed with this song. Like, I play it every day. I'm gonna need a phone holder. I'm not sure if makabili ako ngayon sa Ross, if meron sila. Kasi wala akong parang phone holder dito sa car ko. So, ang hirap mag-video. And I have my coffee here. I always order the Ice White Mocha, 16 ounce extra ice from Infusion. I love their coffee so much. Parang ito yung everyday coffee ko. Hindi naman everyday, pero like, if ever lang na gusto kong mag-ice coffee, I always get this order. It's so good. I'm trying to finish this as much as possible kasi ako, hindi ko nauubos yung coffee ko talaga. I don't know why. Basta makasip lang ako, okay na. Pero this coffee is so good. Okay, time check. It's 12:21. Ang bilis ng oras. Wala na akong time papunta ng mall. I'm always curious kung saan pupunta tong mga car na to. Like, ang daming car sa daan. Saan sila pupunta? So, nandito na ako sa mall. And I am rushing. Kasi, it's almost 1 and my lunch break is over na. So, we'll make it fast. I'm gonna go to the bookstore. Daan lang. See if they have new stock of books. Maybe they still don't. I'll just get half and half. I'll just get your beef broccoli, please. No, that's it. I get the bag. So I got the beef broccoli with half and half rice and half pancit. Wow, it looks so good. Let's try the fried rice. Yum. Thank you, Lord. So I am coming back to work. Time check.